Welcome to this video. We are going to see how to create a SQL Server stored procedure. You first connect to your database. I have prepared a script here, 3 scripts actually. I just create a simple table and I insert a few lines. Here we have 12 lines of data. The script will be available in the link in the description of the video. And here, as you can see, we have a syntax error. There was a comma missing. I execute the script, so now we have a few lines in our table. Now we want to create a very basic stored procedure, and the syntax is something like this. Simply use a statement like that. Create procedure. USP list sales is the name I'm giving to the procedure. USP stands for user stored procedure. It is the opposite of the system stored procedure. So you just do that, and between the as and the go, which is the end of the procedure, you can write anything you want, a list of SQL operations. So let's create this procedure. And now let's see how to execute it. You simply use exec and followed by the name of the procedure. Now we are going to see how to change the procedure using an alter procedure statement. When you have your procedure in place, if you want to change it, you need to use the alter procedure statement like this. And here you just need to change the code you want to change. For example, we can say here, select star from sales, order by the year. So this time it will be ordered by year, not by month. So I run the alter statement. I execute again the procedure. As you can see now, the data is ordered by year from 2020 to 2023 and not anymore by month. In the previous stored procedure, it was ordered by month. Now you know how to create a simple stored procedure and how to change the code executed inside the stored procedure. If you like the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. It really helps us to move forward.